Hello and welcome to this video. We were continuing the first chapter of your geography, that is resources and development. In last video we discussed up to land utilization pattern in India. In this video we will discuss about land degradation and their conservation measures. Let's start it. So, first we will try to understand the meaning of land degradation. What is the meaning of land degradation? Land degradation means reduction in the quality of the soil. When the soil loses its quality, when soil loses the prior quality or the existing quality, it is known as degradation of that soil. Several factors are responsible for land degradation. Mainly, the factors of land degradation are classified into two categories. One is natural factors and the other is human made factors. The human activities have not only brought about degradation of the land but have also aggravated the pace of natural forces to cause damage to the land. The natural factors of land degradation are responsible for degradation of land's quality, but the human factors, which are also the reason for land degradation, are more dangerous because they not only degrade the quality of the soil but also accelerate the pace, the rate of land degradation by natural factors. In states like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Odisha, deforestation due to mining have caused several land degradation. So, in states like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Odisha, the main reason behind land degradation is deforestation, and the reason behind that deforestation is mainly mining activities. In states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra, overgrazing is one of the main reasons for the land degradation. Overgrazing exposes the land to direct rain and water erosion, and that led to soil degradation and land degradation. Another reason is the mineral processing. The mineral processing like grinding mainly of limestone for cement industry and calcite and soapstone for ceramic industry generate huge quantity of dust that release to the atmosphere, and it retarded the process of infiltration of water into the soil after it settled down on the land. Those dust which are released to the atmosphere by the process of grinding, after some time they settle down over the land surface and they restrict the infiltration of water in general and rainwater in particular to the soil and also degrade the land quality. In recent years, industrial effluents as waste have become a major source of land and water pollution in many parts of the country. The untreated disposal of industrial waste in general and industrial waste water in particular also reduce the quality of the soil as well as water, but here we are particularly discussing about the land degradation. So particularly it reduce the quality of the soil, the quality of the land. Now we will discuss about the causes of land degradation. Causes of land degradations are broadly classified into two categories: physical or natural factors and human factors or human made factors. Physical or natural factors are like landslide, flood, wind erosion, rain wash, etc. And human factors like deforestation, overgrazing, overutilization of pesticides, overuse of insecticides, unscientific agricultural practice, overgrazing, untreated industrial waste disposal, rapid urbanization, rapid industrialization, desertification, overmining, overquarrying, etc. Now we will discuss about the measures through which we can conserve or through which we can reduce the pace, we can reduce the amount of land degradation. The measures are dam construction, afforestation, plantation, controlled irrigation, controlled use of chemical fertilizers, use of organic fertilizers, controlled quarrying and controlled mining, controlled grazing, shelter belt development, wasteland management, mulching, treated industrial waste disposal, both liquid and solid, contour farming, mostly in hilly areas, crop rotation, terrace farming, planting thorny bushes in desert areas, intercropping or mix farming, rock dams construction, both for regulating the coastal erosion and to control the speed of the water. We can construct rock dam for both purposes. By adopting these measures, we can control the land degradation or we can reduce the pace of land degradation. That's all about this video. Thank you.